Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to generate AI art and sell it using the Leonardo AI. Let's get started. First, open the Leonardo AI on your browser and sign in. Then here, go to the image generation tool. Type a prompt like create a high quality digital artwork about your idea in detailed design. And after that, click Generate. And the Leonardo AI will create a multiple AI art options for you. Choose the best image and improve it using the settings like the style, the lighting, resolution, prompt refinement. Once you're happy with your artwork, you can download the image in high quality. And to make money, you can sell the AI art on platforms like the Etsy, Redbubble, and Fiverr. And that's it. That's how you generate AI art using the Leonardo AI and sell it online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.